Welcome everyone. So far we have studied 475 GRE common words. In this video we are going to study 25 more common GRE words. So let us start. First word is lackadaisical. Lackadaisical, which means lacking enthusiasm and determination. Careless or lazy. We can use it in a sentence: because I care about my students, I refuse to simply let them sit in my class and be lackadaisical. Second example, my son's lackadaisical attitude about studying is causing him to do poorly in school. So my son's careless attitude or non-serious attitude about studying is causing him to do poorly in school. Startling means very surprising, astonishing or remarkable. Staggering, unusual. So $50 is a startling amount of money even for a steak dinner. So $50 is an unusual amount of money, is a staggering amount of money even for a steak dinner. Savvy means shrewdness and practical wisdom. It doesn't have a political savvy. It doesn't have a political wisdom. Stark means without decoration, which is plain. For example, a plain shirt, a stark shirt. It has a got second meaning, which is called sheer, utter, complete, total, absolute. Stark has got two meanings. Avow means assert or confess openly. It means to state, it means to maintain, it means to declare, to attest, to acknowledge, to admit. Excoriate means criticize severely. Excoriate means criticize severely. Monotonous. Mono means one, tonus is tone. So we can say that monotonous means one tone. So one tone is always boring. So monotonous is something which is uninteresting or which is very boring. So monotonous means boring. Fussy means fastidious about one's needs or requirements. It also means hard to please. For example, she is not fussy about her food. She is not fastidious about her food requirements. Or refusing to be soothed. The fussy baby whined and cried all night long. So refusing to be soothed, the hard to please baby whined and cried all night long. Regurgitate has got two meanings. One is the distinguishable characteristic of some animals, which they can bring the food back from intestine to mind. The other meaning of regurgitate is to repeat information without analyzing or comprehending it. To simply read it, to simply parrot it, to simply recite it. So means regurgitate means repeat information without analyzing or comprehending it. Preconceived means of an idea or opinion formed before having the evidence for its truth or usefulness. So predetermined, prejudged. For example, the experiment was only successful because the scientist did not let his preconceived notions affect the results. Or his preconceived weekend plans failed because he forgot to check for important meetings. Newfangled means new, modern. It's a very easy word. Rife means pervasive, widespread, extensive, universally. Remember that rife has got a negative connotation. So something which is widespread but it is undesirable. So undesirable, widespread, or undesirable, pervasive. Bravado means boldness. Skimping on means cheating. Unabashed means shamelessly done. Shameless, brazen, audacious, excessively bold. These all are the meanings of unabashed. Despondency means low spirits from loss of hope or courage. Hopelessness, dejection, sadness, disheartened. These all are the meanings of despondency. Despondency means low spirits from loss of hope or courage, hopelessness, despair. For example, an air of despondency, an air of hopelessness. Splurge means to spend a lot of money in a very short time, to be very extravagant, to be very spendthrift, to be prodigal, to spend a lot of money in a very short time. For example, my wife splurged 50,000 on clothes. Upend means to set or turn something on its end or upside down. So it means ulta karna. Demacrate means set the boundaries or limits of. Faltering means losing strength or momentum. For example, his faltering career. So faltering is something that is losing strength or momentum. Blandness means lacking of strong emotions. A lack of features or characteristics that can impress. It means to be boring, uninterested. For example, it was a speech that was remarkable for its blandness. So it was remarkable for its boringness, for its uninteresting, for its lack of strong emotions, but also for its ignorance of what is happening in the country. Not only it was bland, it was also ignorant speech. Sensationalism means haze. It means overly dramatic. Obeisance. Obeisance is actually derived from obey, and it means deep respect. It also means reverence, veneration. Reverence and veneration are both very important words for GRE. Dreariness means extreme dullness, lacking spirit or interest. Insipidness. Insipidness is a synonym of dreariness. So dreariness means extreme dullness, lacking spirit or interest, lacking enthusiasm. Insipidness. Reciprocate means to respond to gesture or action by making a corresponding one. To respond to a gesture or action by making a corresponding one. To give and take mutually. To return like for like is reciprocate. For example, he will reciprocate in kind. It means that if you do kind to him, he will return kind to you. Kind for kind, like for like. Other example, to reciprocate is not in his nature. So even if you do kind to him, he will not return kind. So to reciprocate is not in his nature. That's all for today. Thank you.